Made a mistake on a return you already filed? You can fix it by amending with Form 1040X, and TurboTax can help you prepare it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, ensure your original return has been fully processed by the IRS, or state, before you amend. Then, in TurboTax, open the return you need to amend. Look for Amend a Filed Return, or File an Amendment, in the menu or search. TurboTax will create the new Form 1040X for you. You only need to correct the specific items that changed. The software will carry over everything else and explain the reason for the change. My crucial pro tip: amend for substantial errors only. Did you forget a whole W-2 or a major deduction? Amend. For a tiny math error, don't bother. The IRS will usually correct it and send you a notice. Amending triggers a lengthy manual review, so only do it if it meaningfully changes your refund or tax due. Fix major mistakes with confidence and precision. Have you ever had to amend a return? What was the reason? For more guides on correcting course, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.